Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, welcome to Family Lang. This is Family Lang TV talk show Lang. So on today video will be added to video. Today Daniel Globe are coming here to play football. This is a village in Germany. Kim is the name of the village. Where is the name? This is it. Beamba. Sorry, it's not Kim, it's Beamba. So this is where the Bauer, they call it Bauer, but farmer in English we say farmer. Of Dutch they say Bauer. Other Bauer, huh? Yeah, that is in English me farmer. So this Ella, don't take it out. Don't destroy what the Bauer have make, eh? That's it. That is for Bauer. So now I just want to make a video concerning this place. I like the greens. It reminds me when you cook. When you cook there, you see us there. It reminds me when I was still in Nigeria, where we go for my grandmama. We go together with my grandmama to go farming and fishing. It reminds me of the village. You can see, like, more for the road. You can see the farm place is very big and nice. You can see the horses are there. So I just said let me make a short video, and I will be adding a video I will be adding video that is will be two content here together. When my kids school they have a fish. They call it a grill fish. That is Via is the name. Look at here. What is the name? Come this. Look at the video when you are speaking. What is the name? Yeah. So the children, the parents are there. They make a grill, and we have fun. And I have some videos that Ella was doing some. They have Ella with they paint her face with Via is the name. With your paint to your face. What is the name? The paint they give to your face here yesterday. What is the name? What's so they paint his face Heather. And she was like climbing, and just out that video is all about Ella, just to see how how Ella loved doing a lot of sport. It was really funny, and they have fun. So I will be it's adding two video plus this farm video that I'm just making now with Ella together, and the school video with Ella will be two video together. So I hope you enjoy, and someone will learn something about the videos. And yeah, if anything you want to know concerning Ella and Daniel, do not fail to write it on the comment section. You want to know the character of Ella and what Ella like and what Ella don't like. Also with Daniel, because Daniel is a very funny boy. Also, Daniel is not too. Daniel's best sport is football. So yeah. Ella can do a lot of sport, but up till now I've not registered Ella. I wish I will do. I will try and register Ella for two sports. Yeah. So Ella, say bye.
Bye.
Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Look now. Subscribe. Give your hand. Like and what? Like and share. Now your hair you dey show for the people to look. Okay, bye guys, see you on our next video. Appreciate you guys for coming in, commenting sweet comments, and like our video and subscribe and share us out. Thank you, and God bless you all. Bye. I just love the view from this place. So the Daniel just finished playing football, so we are heading home. I just like the view here. Look at the view. It's a village, yeah, small countryside. Look at the view there. This is natural. Remind me of my village in Nigeria. Remind me of my village. Look, man, here is village, and the road. You see, the road are very good. The road are very good. Even it's a small town, countryside, but their road are very nice. Yes, where the farmers live. Look, very nice place. This is the church here. Nice place. I just let me make a little bit view of this small countryside. village. Very organized. See, Europe are very organized. Look at the view. Small countryside, but very nice place. Very nice place. Yeah, it's coming. Nice place. Cannot stop videoing. Here you can have good loaf, fresh hair. Yet. No, that is.
Hi, bist du fertig? Nee.
Vorsichtig, this guy. Ich habe Angst vor dir. You get the Stein.
Was noch? Kriegt alles Schulwasser. Ich hab's gar nicht.
Oh, hela, awa.